I'm Daisy Morgan, an entrepreneur running several brands. Today we are launching Lara, and of course, you, the media, we are having the first press meet with you all. I know everybody might be wondering what Lara is all about, so we are going to reveal in a while. Before that, I would like to introduce my founder, Lakshmi Rai.
Hi everyone. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
So,
Good.
Lakshmi, I think everybody knows, well-renowned actress. Yeah, we're missing you on screen still. And we have our next co-founder, investor, entrepreneur, Sandhya.
Hello everyone.
So, what's Lara?
Lara.
Why
Lara
Lara?
is yes. So Lara வந்து first time my first thought நான் வந்து if I want to start anything apart from movies, if I want to get into business, எனக்கு வந்து இது எப்பவும் இந்த ஐடியா இருந்தது. I want to do something for public related again, but connecting through emotions, hearts, conversation. என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா ஒரு கேள்வி இருந்தது. Then I said, நான் டேசிக் ஃபோன் பண்ணி சொன்னேன், why can't she, it was her thought, we can do something like this. And நாங்கள் வந்து we went deeper and deeper and finally Lara happened. Lara நான் in today's generation ஒரு மாடர்ன் டேட்டிங் சைட் நிறைய வந்திருக்கு, பட் nobody trusts these dating sites. It's all like a play நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு, no seriousness, nothing. So me being single, நான் வந்து if at all I want to trust, நான் வந்து ஒரு ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பில் இருக்கணும்னா நான் எங்கே போகணும், எப்படி வெரிஃபை பண்ணணும், வாட் இஸ் authenticity. If I am an actress, I don't have an access. ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு லிமிட்டட் access தான் இருக்கும். So I was like, எதுக்கு நாங்கள் we can come up with something like a verified platform. எல்லா singles வந்து not just dating site, நிறைய பேர் வந்து in today's time are very lonely. Partners இருந்தாலும் lonely இருக்காங்க, friends இல்லை, நிறைய விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு. There are different zones of life. So நாங்கள் சொன்னோம், why can't we just cover up everything and bring everything in Lara? So it's like Lara is one offline community. நாங்க பேசிட்டு இருந்தோம், let's do this, we'll make one offline community where we can verify singles with real intention and bring them all on board and connect people globally. So இது வந்து dating site கண்டிப்பா கிடையாது. Yes, you can find forever, find your forever, plus friendships, conversations, networking, எல்லாமே லாரால வரும். So this is something that I always thought, and we have many layers in this site, which I think Daisy will also say எல்லாமே நான் தான் பேசினா அப்புறம்.
So another thing, I'm so sorry if you're married, you are definitely not allowed in this community. It's strictly not for married people. But if you do get married, eventually through our community, we'll be really happy for you and we'll come up for something else in future.
But definitely not to get into this app. Please don't get single. So so we are not responsible for that.
Yeah.
So it's only dedicated to singles and people who want to connect
with
across
real
the world.
intentions.
Yeah, with real intentions, with verified hearts. We are going to do a lot of verification. We have a lot of verification processes. Adikappro da you'll be invited into this community.
It's an invitation only community.
Hi, this is Sandhya. I'm an entrepreneur and also author. Actually, Lara is a safe and verified community. லாரா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸோ என்னோட மேரேஜ் வந்துட்டு அரேஞ்ச் மேரேஜ். ஸோ ஐ கம்ப்ளீட்லி பிலீவ் இன் மேரேஜ், ஹாப்பி கம்யூனிட்டி. ஸோ பிட் companionship. So the Lara happened because of when you enter Lara, it's completely safe, verified, and also you can we can help people to build confidence and trust and friendship, everything in Lara.
Have
Yeah.
meaningful relation.
Yeah.
Basically meaningful relationship தான் நாங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். It's just not love. Friendship இருக்கலாம். Just strangers meeting together, knowing people, having great networking sense. அதுதான் நாங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். So I think this is something that I'm really excited. Me being single, and I think Desi, you're
Very much.
you're single.
Till you're not married, you're considered single.
Yeah. So she is single. She
I'm
is
happily
married. Happy married.
Yeah, I'm happily married. Yeah.
So,
So,
we hope to reach
it's-
that stage soon.
I complete belief in marriage. Yeah.
So yes, you do have in the platform level, you will meet people with real intentions, because we are trying our best to bring people with real intentions and connect people together. So I thought that I should do something, because I travel a lot, I meet a lot of people, and என்னோட லைஃப் பார்த்தா எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும், because I travel globally நிறைய இடத்துல வந்து and profession is being acting பண்றது, but I love traveling, I love connecting with new people. So it's beautiful to actually know, just not within your city, but expand it, like go out there and see what the world has to offer.
Nowadays, it's easy to meet people, but it's
Yeah.
really hard to find the true intention. So what Lara do?
Yeah.
It's safe. It's safe, verified. So yeah, you can.
So we are a curated community where we actually bring singles to other countries. We curate workshops, whether is it a yoga or something positive, we actually do all of that. And yeah, we will be, I think, reviewing
And
more.
we'll curate events. எங்கே வந்து people who want to participate in those events and meet people and greet people. So everybody will come with different real intentions. Some need friendship, some need networking, some want to join for confidence, some want to just join for wellness retreat. Adu irukku. So all this is part of the Lara offline community.
Now you all can ask us the questions if you want to. So we are not an app, number one. We are not an app.
We are yet not an app. We are a community which we are going to have people on invitation into our website. Like they can apply and we will verify them, and we have a lot of verification stages to go through.
Yeah.
So once we approve this is authentic, then we don't want to bring crowd. We want to have the real people, even if it's just 25 to 50, but we need real people on board.
So the process would be, they should be agreeable to go through a legal identification, because in India, they have something called the Hindu Marriage Act. They also have got a Civil Marriage Act. So that is a very, very narrow line, especially India being so huge with different states. One person can get traditionally married there, but we will never know. So that's where we would want to have like a conversation with families, understand. So to come into this particular community itself, it's not going to be easy. It's a thorough check where an individual will have to definitely approve to be allowed to go through their checklist with us. So we have professionals on board in the company to do that due diligence for us. Why did we choose only
See,
single?
networking is also for someone who's single, not like someone who just wants to network. I mean, when we are verifying, we will ask them, what is your purpose?
See,
It's not, we are just agreeing to, whenever we need to know who is joining us and who wants to be on this community for what. So we do have our ways of verifying people.
when you are asking the question of why only singles and not married, because our direction towards this community currently is only for singles. Until we establish a certain target that we have actually met, where we want to see whether this is going to flourish into somebody's forever, whether someone is going to fall in love or somebody is going to marry. That's when we have a second stage towards this entire community, where it will come to something called a couple retreat.
Yeah.
Okay. She being single, I being divorced, there's only one person being married, we still need to make sure that this entire thing goes on a very organic manner for us to eventually reach the next stage of a couple
Yeah,
retreat.
so we are first targeting singles. Why? Because I think even somebody in today's time, most of people who are feeling lonely is people who are alone, not people who are with. I mean, the feeling of loneliness can be there, but people who are very lonely are somebody who are single, who are looking forward. They don't have confidence. They don't know where to go. They don't know uh, how to make friends. A lot of people are struggling with a lot of things, be it mentally, be it low on self esteem, low on self confidence. So we do have a lot of, we will be coming up with a lot of packages where each one's purpose is something, and whether we can cater to that and how we can bring them on board. Once that is achieved, then the community can expand into many other directions. So right now our focus is more on singles.
I wouldn't say it's a subscription. It's basically when you're going on a trip. Of course, if you go on a trip, you need to make payment, right? So we don't have a subscription model. We go on a point system. Yeah. So you accumulate certain
Credits, basically.
Credit system. Yeah.
So you can send us your request, and then we have like a concierge team who will get in touch with you, and then we will understand why what's your purpose to actually come on Lara. So that's where the whole story starts. It's not like the modern dating, swipe left, shortcuts. Oh, I love you. Can we meet on a coffee shop? Let's go dating. No, none of this, because I can't risk that myself.
Yeah. And we'll be launching our very first get together in August in Bombay,
Yes.
Mumbai.
I think the official first get together, we're going to globally launch in Mumbai. So we're going to start something. See, this is a beautiful thought, and we have curated it now. Now we have to execute it, and I think we are almost very close to executing it. And I think the launch is just a month away, and let's hope for the best.